welcome back to my channel. For anyone new here, my name is Alana, and in today's video we are of course going to be doing a Dyson Airwrap tutorial. We are going to be using the round brush, my favorite. In fact, one of my subscribers dubbed me the round brush queen, and I was like, thank you, thank you. I'll take that title. So I had quite a few of you request that I recreate this look from Kate Middleton. This is her whenever she went to Wimbledon this year, and you wanted me to recreate this gorgeous hairstyle. So that is what I'm gonna be doing today. So without further ado, I'm just gonna get straight into it. Right, we all know how important pre-styling is whenever it comes to the Dyson Airwrap. One of the biggest problems a lot of people have with their Airwrap is struggling to get their hairstyles to hold, struggling with frizz, especially if you have hair like me that is very frizzy, just struggling in general to manage their hair and to get it to style the way they want. And pre-styling is a really big part of that, and I've actually got quite a few pre-styling products I'm using today. So the first thing I'm going to use is my 5-in-1 Philip Kingsley treatment. I use this every single time I wash my hair, and one of the biggest reasons why I use this is it kind of really helps to detangle my hair, because it's always quite knotted after I get out of the shower. So guys, you can just see literally within like 30 seconds how much detangled this side of my hair is compared to this side. It is crazy. Now obviously this has loads of benefits. It nourishes your hair, it helps with frizz, it just helps manage styling. This next product I'm putting in is by Kate. It's the Silver Savior Foam Treatment Mousse. And basically this is if you have blonde hair or balayaged hair. Mine tends to go quite like orangey, and this basically just helps brighten it back up. So it's like a foam, it comes out like this. It's all purpley. You rub it into your hands and then you run it all down your hair. So hopefully this is just gonna help just brighten up my blonde a little bit, because if you watched this video recently is how I regrew my damaged hair due to it being dyed blonde, you will know that I am having a year off dyeing my hair. Now guys, I just want to specify that this product is heat activated, so you only want to apply this whenever you've washed your hair and you are going to be applying heat to your hair and styling it. The next thing I'm going to add is for split ends. This is the Philip Kingsley Bond Building Remedy, and it's specifically for split ends, and I just rub it into my fingertips and then just focus on the tips of my hair. Okay guys, the next thing I'm going to add is Kate Root Volumizer. So this is for volume. This is completely optional. I mean, they're all optional. You don't need to add this to your hair, but we want lots of volume for this hairstyle. So this is honestly, this is unreal. Unreal. I've never found a product that adds so much volume to my hair. Spray it in at the roots. Oh, I just sprayed loads of it on my forehead. And then you rub it in. Now this is again heat activated, so you need to spray this whenever your hair is wet and just before you style your hair. Now I'm actually gonna add some in at the crown as well. Now you'll be glad to know that we're on to the last thing, and that is of course by Philip Kingsley Daily Damage Defense Leave-In Conditioner. This is also a heat protectant, so I just spray that all over my hair. So guys, the pre-styling is finito. I will make sure I have all the products linked in the description. I just want to specify I'm not sponsored by any of these brands. That these are all products that I genuinely use and enjoy, and then that's why I show them to you guys in case you have the same sort of hair struggles as me and you feel like it's something that may work for your hair. Okay, now we're going to just give our hair a quick dry. We're going to focus on the roots. High heat, high speed. Make sure you're showing the vent. Let's go. There we go. My hair is probably about 70% dry. Look, my blonde definitely is looking blonder. That Kate Silver Savior stuff is working. We are then going to section. Guys, I'm like a little bit hyper today, can you tell? I'm like not usually this like eccentric. I don't know what's wrong with me. Okay, right, I think it's because I haven't made a Dyson video in ages, and I'm just excited to be here and making another like I'm a celeb. Love it. Okay, right, I'm gonna spray a little bit more heat defense because we all know how psycho I am whenever it comes to heat defense. And then I'm gonna give my hair a quick brush because you wanna make sure there is no knots in it. And you're going to apply the round brush attachment. And for my hair type, I'm gonna go high heat and high speed, okay? I'm just gonna talk you through this as I'm doing it. Okay, so we're gonna start by smoothing out the hair and also fully drying it. This is just gonna really help get rid of any frizz. It's gonna help create volume. And you wanna do it in lots of different directions because that's just gonna really help you build out the volume. So normally I place the brush at the root, wrap the hair, and then pull out. Place it at the root, wrap around, pull. At the root, wrap around, pull. At the root, wrap around, pull. So in the last few goes, you're gonna place your brush midway down, you wanna twist, and as you're going down, you just wanna keep rolling. See what I mean? And that's just gonna help create like a bit of a curl. Or if you struggle and you find that a little bit too difficult, then roll your hair down and roll the brush up. This might be a little bit easier. You want to hold that for like 10 seconds on high heat, and then you want to switch to a cold shot for 10 seconds. Then you want to unwind and look at that gorgeous curl. This is a little technique. Again, if your hair struggles to hold, you may want to just fasten your little curl as you work your hair, as you work your way around your hair. And guys, it can be completely time consuming, like wrapping and pinning the whole curl. So don't worry about doing all the curl, just do the little end bit. Okay, I'm now gonna move over to this side and do it on this side, and I'm then gonna speed it up and work through my hair until I get to the top, because that's where all the drama is happening and it's a little bit different, okay? So, let's do it on this side. High heat, high speed, let's go. Okay, so then you're gonna wrap your hair around and you can roll it up. High heat for about 10 seconds. And then you're gonna switch to the cold shot for 10 seconds. There we go, look at that gorgeous, I mean, that is just, look at that. That is just next level with the round brush. Oh, amazing. Amazing. Okay, you're just gonna get your thumb, place it through the curl, like so. Get a little clip, and just secure it. And you can get whatever clip you want. If you've got like these clips, you can use those. If all you have are little bobby pins, just use those. Just whatever you have to hand will be grand. Also, you can add a little bit of hairspray to these little pin bits. I'm not gonna do that. I don't really enjoy hairspray in my hair, and I know that this will hold quite well without it, but if you have really flyaway hair or really heavy hair and it struggles to hold, spray a little bit of hairspray in them. Okay guys, we are now on to the top section, and how we're going to do this a little bit differently is we want lots of volume. So you want to pull your hair over the opposite side of your head. So I'm going to roll the brush and I'm going to pull it over here. This is just going to help create lots of volume at the root. You're just gonna pull it over the opposite side of your head. Now, like, guys, look at the amount of volume that has created. That is crazy, crazy. Okay, then you're gonna roll. High heat for 10 seconds. Then the cold shot. There we go. Don't worry about any frizz, we will sort that out. Then you're gonna do the same for this side of your hair. As you blow dry, you're gonna pull it over the opposite side, okay? That is the whole hair curled. I'm now gonna take out all of the clips. It isn't an extreme side parting, it's just a little bit of a side parting. So see how much volume now we have. Whereas if we had a blow dried the hair over this side, we wouldn't have got that much volume. Now you're gonna take a wide comb and you're gonna brush through the hair. Oh my goodness, guys, my hair just feels so soft, just so beautiful, and smells insane. Okay, so guys, because we have quite a few flyaways going on, we are going to attach the flyaway attachment. I'm gonna switch that round, and I am going to sort out some of these flyaways. Now I'm only gonna go like midway down my hair because I don't wanna like straighten out the curl. Okay guys, I'm just gonna finish this look off with a little bit of hair oil, just a little bit of Olaplex, just to nicely seal and nourish the ends. I'm just gonna scrunch that up because I don't want to pull it through and like pull out any of the curl. Okay, if I'm being completely honest, actually this is a bit more alananoellee. Voluming it out, tousling it up. There we go. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. And guys, just before we end this video, if you're someone who washes your hair every day or every other day or every 2 to 3 days and you want to prolong your hair washes and get your hair into better health, just not waste so much time washing and styling your hair, my hair wash training course is coming out very soon. I have the link in the description if you want to sign up to my mailing list. It's completely free to sign up and you will be the first to hear about it, as well to be the first to hear about any exclusive deals. I hope that you enjoyed this. Make sure you hit subscribe. That is a great way to support this channel, and hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, again just to spread some love, and I look forward to seeing you next time.